Welcome back, guys! Today we will be doing this effect in Unreal Engine. Today we will be using this asset for faster render, and it's going to be easy to set up. So first you need to make sure that the plugin's motion sign is turned on. Minus are not already, but if not, just put a check in it and then start. So let's start render new level, then let's go basic. You can also use any measure you want. But first let's go to modeling. Make sure that the pavement is at the bottom. So like I said, we will be using that asset, which is the low sim polydown. Just drag and drop and arrange it according to your project. So yes, using so it can also spread it using the modular. So in the Xform tab, I'll be randomizing it. When everything is okay, just click accept. And then let's go to motion design, cloners, and then free placement. Let's click the cloner and set everything to default. Delete the default cloner. Then let's highlight all the houses. And then make sure the mobility is immovable. And then drag it to the cloner. And then create a link effector and adjust it according to your project. Increase the size of your effector. Set it according to your project. Adjust the offset according to your liking. Feel free to test the numbers according to your liking. So let's go to motion design again. Click actor and then null actor. Drag the effector to the null actor that's been graded. Duplicate the factor so that we can change the scale. For the factor scale, set the scale to 0. Adjust the factor scale. So let's add a level sequence. Give it a name. Then save. Drag the node to the sequencer, click plus and then transform. And then in the last keyframe, click a plus, and then move to the first keyframe, and then move the effector. that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.